What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you slime that I made. I'll be back later. So guys, simply I made slime because I made green snotty slime because can't you see my hands are green? So let's get started showing you my slime. So here's the slime. Wow! So guys, here's how big is my slime. This is how big is my slime. I like to do it really fast because it's a lot of sticky. So scared of me. Why? Because and this is so heavy too, you know. So look how we'll mix it. Simply, like this slime is made with water and powdery stuff. So yeah. And guys, I'll be back because I am gonna show you something really cool. So guys, I just grabbed it. So I will show you. So guys, look at this yellow slime one. Isn't it actual slime? It's like a cloud. Cloud slime. So guys, it's just so soft. I should have grabbed one of the other slimes too, but I was just looking at these. So I should have got Mackenzie and Madison's slimes. Not the one that main one, the curly hair, not the one. So yeah. That slime is so amazing. Amazing than everyone else's. I'll be back in a second. So guys, I'm back. And I'll slow to show you the orange one. So this is that. So this is hard too. It's like the same with the yellow, but a little bit stretchy. I hate it so much. So I just like to feel it. So let's get down with the other round. Okay. Last round, guys. Get the blue one. Only a little piece. Blue. This is like more cloudy. More cloudier than the orange and the yellow. The yellow was with my auntie. I call her Tita because we both named ourselves Tita. I call her Tita Nubbles. She called me Auntie Boy Nubbles. Because she loves me so much. Your time is to be born. And watch my nose, please. I just need to throw this away. Try to throw it one more time. Well, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and comment me if you like this video. Give some thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. But this is my first time doing it. So, bye.